Hello, it's TJ McLaughlin with South State Realty First. Just wanted to talk to you real quickly about the current real estate market. We have some new loan programs that were brought to my attention today. Basically, people who might have a current short sale on their record or foreclosure or just might have bad credit, yes, you can buy in today's market. So please give me a call and I'll show you how. Also, we have a program available where you only have to put 0.5% down. Yes, 0.5%. Great opportunity to buy too. So please, again, give me a call and I can talk to you further about the opportunities. Or if you're currently a homeowner and you're thinking about selling, yes, give me a call on that too, because I do have buyers that are looking to purchase in the area. So, might make it a quick, easy transaction for you. You can reach me at 916-817-9965. Again, that's 916-817-9965. Or shoot me an email at tj@tjmclaughlin.com. That's tj@tjmclaughlin.com. Look forward to your call. Take care and have a great week.